In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to any Oauth2 API in Airtable. To begin, open your web browser and go to Airtable. Make sure you are signed in to the correct workspace, because OAuth integrations are managed from your account settings and builder tools. Once you are on the Airtable home screen, look toward the top area of the interface where your account menu appears. Next, click on the small icon that represents your account. In many accounts, this appears as a single-letter avatar. Selecting it opens the menu where Airtable keeps your developer and builder options. From that menu, choose Builder Hub. This is the area Airtable provides for building and managing integrations and developer-related resources. Inside Builder Hub, find and click OAuth integrations. This section is specifically for creating OAuth connections, which allow Airtable to securely request permission to access another service through an authorization flow. Using OAuth is important because it avoids hard-coding sensitive credentials and keeps access scoped to what you approve. On the OAuth integrations page, click Register an OAuth integration. This starts the setup process for a new integration. You will be taken to a registration form where you define the key configuration details for the OAuth flow. In the next part, click into the fields that are highlighted on the page. These highlighted areas are the required inputs for your integration setup. Take your time here and enter the values exactly as you intend to use them, because these settings determine how Airtable identifies your integration during authorization. If you later use another tool or service alongside Airtable, these fields need to match what that system expects as well. Continue through the required highlighted field and confirm that each required entry is complete. A good tip is to double-check spelling and spacing before moving on, since small differences can cause OAuth authorization to fail. Finally, click Add Redirect URL. The redirect URL is where the authorization server sends the user after they grant access. This is a critical piece of the Oauth2 setup. Make sure the redirect URL you add is the correct callback address for the app or service you are connecting through Airtable, and that it is entered exactly as provided, including the full path. Once the redirect URL is added, your OAuth integration is properly configured for the redirect portion of the flow, and that is all there is to it.